Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you a simple and effective way to close the settings menu on WhatsApp Web using a keyboard shortcut. With the latest update, navigating WhatsApp Web has become even more efficient, and this quick tip will save you time. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. To do this, launch your preferred web browser and visit the WhatsApp Web website. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code with your phone to access your account. Once you're logged in, locate the settings menu. You can find it by clicking on the gear icon, usually positioned at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open up various options for managing your account. Now here's where the shortcut comes into play. After opening the settings menu, simply press the escape key on your keyboard. That's right, just one key press. The escape key instantly closes the settings menu, allowing you to return to your previous screen without any hassle. This shortcut is incredibly useful for quickly exiting menus or dialogues in WhatsApp Web without needing to click around manually. It's a small but powerful feature that enhances your overall experience on the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to close the settings menu on WhatsApp Web using the escape key. This tip is perfect for streamlining your workflow and making navigation smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who use WhatsApp Web. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your online experience even better. Thank you for watching.